A warm welcome to the Nordic Partner Awards. Whoa, it's a bit dark in here. Could we light up and get the party started? So, I've been really looking forward to this day, celebrating all the great work, engagement and commitment that you have successfully done throughout the past year. And we can also finally start celebrating that the world is opening up. And that has actually allowed me to bring in a co-host to the studio today. So Rasmus, come on and join me.
Thank you so much, Lisa.
And congratulations with your recent assignment as our new Nordic SE manager. Really great achievement. I'll get back to you in a minute. We have a lot of great stuff to cover in the coming hour. We will hear from leaders across the region, giving you insights to what they believe you should focus on to be successful in our joint transformation for VMware to be a multi-cloud company. We will also hear about our 5 pillars, obviously, which is important to found your plan and strategy for the future. And we will have VMworld on steroids. Watch out for that. That's going to be interesting. And finally, we will also have the awards, which is obviously the most important and fun part. On VMworld, that took place last week.
Yes.
And I trust that the audience attended VMworld, obviously. One of the takeaways I got from VMworld is the VMware being this multi-cloud company, VMworld being the multi-cloud platform. Could you, in a short sentence, give some insights to what we really mean about that?
Yeah, obviously. You heard multi-cloud, you heard cloud smart, many different buzzwords, I would say. Essentially, this is all about giving our customers the freedom of choice. When we are talking about multi-cloud, we are talking about being able to place the right service, the right app in the right cloud, that being a public or a private cloud. We know now that, and you probably also saw that on the VMworld sessions last week, that 75% of our customers are already using 2 or more clouds for their IT services today. And that is what we're building upon. As you all know, VMware has been in the market for the past plus 20 years, and we have been the trusted foundation for running IT services with more than 90% of the companies across the world. That is the pedigree that we are building upon. We want to make sure that our customers get access to the diverse cloud services that we are seeing out there, but we want to make sure that they are doing this in a framework that gives the freedom, that avoids the lock-in, and continues to build on that trusted foundation moving forward. So basically, freedom of choice, but not in any way letting loose when it comes to compliance, security, and all around that.
And that leads to maybe sitting back and looking at this comprehensive portfolio, which actually is a challenge to us at VMware, our customers, and certainly also our partners, keeping up the pace, getting on top of skills, sales, technical certifications, while handling the day-to-day business.
Yeah.
Rasmus, how can we advise our partners to navigate successfully in this world?
I think it comes down to what we focus on, honestly, because as you say, it can be hugely complex if we continue to view with a product focus. We need to make sure that we fully adapt a customer-centric mindset. We need to understand our customers, and we need to work with the value of our customers moving forward. Because it's true that if we want to keep up with 100 different products and do that individually without focusing on the solutions, this will become an issue. What we are doing within VMware, and what we are especially working with my part of the company and the solution engineering teams, is exactly that, understanding the solution for the customer. And that is what we are doing together with our partners as well. We want to make sure that the customer-centric, the solution-centric focus is key. And what we are seeing from a partner perspective is that we are moving away from the technical transactional resell much more into a discussion around value, a discussion around how we solve the real problems at the customers and progress their solutions. So that's where the partner really play a key part, understanding that and potentially building the VMware DNA into their own solutions as well, and truly differentiate in the market. So a huge portfolio, but also many different options and many positive impacts for both partners and customers.
And opportunities.
Definitely opportunities.
So, and I guess what we also see is partners building services, managed services, etc.
Yes.
Which actually ties very nicely into the as a service models, the subscription models, and trust me, you'll hear a lot around subscription as a service models in this event and onwards. And it will be a priority, and that's why you will also see as part of our Partner Connect program that we will launch several services around adoption, consumptions, etc. But again, we could go on and on and on, but I think we should go on with the show. So this will obviously not be a Nordic event if we didn't have a pep talk from our regional director, Per. So take it away, Per.
Good morning, dear partners. It's great to have you on this call, and it's a great moment today where we're gonna do some recognition and hand out some awards to this great community of business partner of ours. So the market is it's an interesting one. If you look back over the last 8 years, the total landscape of IT has changed, and I can only say congratulations to all of you, because you have a job in a business sector that is on fire, and our customer needs help. They need help to take the right strategy decision. They need help to choose which platform vendor setup that suits them best. And it's as I said, it's a great time for us to help our customer with their needs. So what do we have together, VMware and our partner community? Well, I would say that we have, from VMware side, probably the best fit in terms of business proposal versus your position in the market, where we can go out to the market and address the whole market, not only a specific part of the market. We can together address the whole market, meaning the different verticals in terms of healthcare, finance, government, defense, retail, telco, all of them. We can address all of them. And they have different needs. So some of our customers in the market don't have the same needs and strategy as another one, right? So if you compare a public sector police organization versus a global retailer, it's totally different needs. But what we can do together is we can address the complete market. And that's a very, very good starting point. Okay, so what do we do and why do we do it? Well, first of all, we need to understand that the market is multidimensional today. It's not binary. It's not A versus B, right? So it's a complex multidimensional market. And what we call it it's a multi-cloud market. And what that means is that customers want to pick and choose and be cloud smart about their choice of strategy and vendors, solutions, etc. And at VMware, we are focusing on 5 different dimensions of the multi-cloud market. First, the applications. We focus on how to help customer build run and manage their application in a multi-cloud environment, which means that, for example, if you are a organization with heavy focus on on-prem platform for security and R&D, that's going to probably be the majority of your workloads, maybe 70%. But then you will have other applications that don't have the same security levels, and that might be 30% that is being deployed out in the public clouds. So we can bring all of this together to have a consistent model to build, run, manage your applications. The next level is the users, the end users, you, me, and every employee for a company or organization. How can we help them to be super engaged and productive and satisfied with their platform that they work on from morning to evening? I think some of the effects of COVID is that people have realized how important it is to have a platform from an end user point of view that supports you in everything you do. At VMware, for example, we are welcoming new employees each and every month. And over the last year and a half, that has been through our onboarding platform. So our Workspace ONE platform helps people get onboarded. It helps them to train. It helps them to practice. It helps them to be productive. And when that day comes, it's going to help them to offboard as well in a very, very smooth way. So from a user point of view, your platform and workplace environment needs to be very, very flexible and open to the whole multi-cloud application arena. All right, so that's two of the big opportunities we have. The third one is the cloud platform, the digital platform, right? Where we build in all the infrastructure services into software, and we add management and automation on top of it so that you can run and manage your infrastructure digital platform in the same way, with the same competences, with the same people, regardless if you choose to put workloads on Azure or Google or AWS or Oracle, or you run your own private cloud. You can bring all of this together. The same goes if you want to include the local service provider in the local market. They have the same platform. So that consistent digital platform, cloud platform, is a great opportunity for us all to go after. And then, okay, we need to wrap this. We need to wrap security around this. And security needs to be built in a different way. A way that is modern and multi-cloud oriented. And the network beneath it needs to be fully workable to all features, regardless where you deploy it. Because it's no physical network anymore. You decide how virtual and how big your network should be. And it needs to be policy driven so that it flows with your digital platform, with the application, with the users. So to wrap this up, VMware is the leading multi-cloud vendor in modern applications, in end-user computing, in cloud platforms, in security, and the virtual cloud network environment. So we have a great opportunity ahead. And thank you for investment in VMware. Thank you for investment in time. And congratulations to the award winners. And I'm looking forward to see you in person over the coming years. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pierre. Always truly inspiring hearing from you. So, as you can see, we are heavily dependent on our joint success. And should we go and celebrate the success?
Let's do it.
So, this year we extended the number of categories, award categories, into 10. And that's actually to acknowledge our broad partner ecosystem and diverse. There's been a huge interest, 70 nominations we've gotten from you. And this year we asked you to give your own nomination. And it has actually, or I hope it has given you a time to reflect and learn from the work you've done and the success you have provided. And it's been super interesting to listen into. And it also reflection gives you a kind of feeling to keep momentum and also set goals going forward. To select the nominees and the award winners, we selected a handful of colleagues from the Nordics as part of the jury. And the jury consists of Per Gustafsson, our regional director, Malu Vaes, our Nordic marketing lead, Arne Magnussen, our Nordic cloud provider lead, Line Kjentli, our Nordic aggregator lead, Anna Maria Løveberg, our NEMEA partner director, and of course, Rasmus and I. So, we got the task to, from these 70 nominations, select 3 in each category, in which one winner has been awarded. So,
should we get on with it?
Yes, please.
Definitely. Okay. So for the first 3 categories, we have the most promising partner of the year, the most innovative partner of the year, and the most committed partner of the year.
The nominees for Most Promising Partner are StormGrid. StormGrid strive to make VMware the first choice for HCI, AI, ML infrastructure, makes them a partner for the future. They are embracing the VMware way and executed flawlessly in a distributor-led Ignite Boost program. Soprasteria. Soprasteria's new VMware infrastructure as a service cloud platform complements the broader multi-cloud service portfolio that Soprasteria offer. It will enable them to improve time to market and focus on delivering higher value professional and managed services to new and existing customers. Nordcloud. Nordcloud has done significant efforts to build their VMware cloud on AWS practice, from zero to master services competency partner. They are keeping pace with VMware's hybrid and multi-cloud offerings by providing other VMware-based hyperscaler solutions. And the winner is Nordcloud. The nominees for Most Innovative Partner are Atea Sweden. Atea early saw the business potential around multi-cloud. They continuously embrace the moment, implementing VMware solutions into their own offerings, i.e. Atea Cloud Track, leading to strategic hybrid cloud engagements with a broad set of customers. Valti. Valti has built an innovative business model by leveraging new VMware technologies in their service portfolio. They've been able to both grow their existing business and build significant new revenue streams with their offering. Cloudist Solutions. Cloudist Solutions has developed a one-of-a-kind portal for SMB service providers to resell modern and automated cloud services like it was their own. This simplifies and removes a lot of maintenance and capex for SMB service providers. And the winner is Atea Sweden.
Thank you, VMware, for this Innovation of the Year award. We at Atea are extremely grateful, and we've been focusing very hard on providing services and products that builds on the VMware technology and the VMware innovation, together with our know-how and our technology.
Even though we had a year of pandemic, we've been more innovative than ever together with VMware, and our partnership is stronger than ever. Thank you for this award, VMware.
The nominees for Most Committed Partner are RTS. RTS continuously invests in VMware competency. Strategic conversations and knowledge is key and leads to customer satisfaction and success. RTS has a strong commitment and belief in the broader VMware portfolio with strategic go-to-market initiatives. Concha, Denmark. In 2019, Concha was recognized at VMworld for the exceptional work they had done around digital workspace solutions. Since then, they have accelerated their skills in all VMware areas. Concha continues to invest in further growth, strategically engaged to help customers through their multi-cloud journey. Soprasteria. Soprasteria is a very committed VCPP partner with a brand new VMware IaaS cloud platform. which is positioned as a mission-critical sovereign cloud, targeting public sector and large enterprise organizations with critical data and regulated workloads. And the winner is Concha, Denmark.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Looking forward to the next year.
Huge congratulations to all the award winners.
And this one is on its way to you.
Lisa, I would like to pick up on a few points you made in the introduction. Is that okay?
Take it away, Rasmus.
Good, brilliant. Over the past few years, we've seen an increased focus on the cloud adoption, as mentioned many times now. The focus is there entirely because our customers really need to differentiate. They need to differentiate and innovate in a market where they need to navigate the different compliance rules, the security aspects, and being first to market. As mentioned by Lisa initially here, we have organized ourselves around 5 pillars of VMware. And to introduce those 5 pillars, I would like to get Martin Hoffmann on camera and go through the process from a VMware perspective.
Hi, I'm Martin Hoffmann and I'm a Senior Solution Engineer at VMware in Sweden. And today I'm going to show you the 5 pillars of VMware. As many of you know, at VMware we like to talk about the software-defined data center, the SDDC. But to successfully implement and operate an SDDC, certain architectural elements, automation and other components are necessary. And this is where the 5 pillars comes in. They are apps, cloud, networking, workspace, and security. We always focus on the application, and we build our solutions and platforms around it to ensure that you get an app-centric architecture. And to be able to do this, we deliver IT infrastructure components as software. And this is how we can deliver any app to any device from any cloud. The first pillar is apps. Companies and organizations today still run a majority of traditional applications. But there's an exponential growth of modern applications as well. We know it's important that an essential part of any company's IT capabilities is being able to deploy and run modern applications in an enterprise manner. That is why our platform to build, run, manage, connect, and secure modern applications is delivered as a key component inside of the IT infrastructure, not as an isolated platform. Our app modernization solution contains solutions for developers, DevOps, and IT operations. And the goal is to streamline an app's path to production. The second pillar is cloud. And as we all know, cloud comes in many different shapes. They are private, public, and edge. But what's important is to find a way to be able to use one, several, or all of these different cloud types, and at the same time ensure that your applications can consume the necessary resources, also scale out and secure availability whenever and wherever possible. VMware Cloud Foundation is a consistent software-defined platform for all of your applications and all of your clouds with complete cost and governance control. The foundation also runs in hyperscalers' public cloud offerings, as well as partners' hosting services, making it possible for you to create true mobile applications by building true hybrid and multi-cloud environments. The third pillar is networking. Now, traditionally, networking solutions are implemented with physical hardware appliances. This does not integrate very well with modern-day data centers and cloud, as these workloads typically are virtualized. We solve this challenge by building all the networking capabilities in software, and we place this within the virtualization layer close to your applications. And by doing this simple change in architecture, you can ensure that your applications can communicate more secure, more consistent, and more efficient across all of your environments, all your data centers, and all your clouds. The fourth pillar is workspace. Now, how can you ensure and give the freedom to your users so they can use whatever device they want and whatever application they want, and still being able to secure access to your company's data and manage all these devices? Well, with our workspace solution, you can. We give you the capabilities to deliver applications and virtual desktops to your distributed workforce anywhere, anytime, and on any device. And with a deep integration to our entire ecosystem, you can secure access to company data and resources. You can optimize user experience, and you can manage and maintain all these different endpoints in all of your environments. The fifth pillar is security. And our approach to security is intrinsic, which means it's built in by design. And with intrinsic security, we bring the necessary security controls to where they have the most impact, namely inside of your IT infrastructure, as a part of the hypervisor and very close to your applications, but also outside of your IT infrastructure with all the necessary security controls for your distributed workforce. With the combination of next-gen antivirus, threat hunting, audit and remediation, and network security, you not only secure your perimeter, but you also secure everyone and everything accessing your company's data. As you can see, the 5 pillars are necessary to successfully implement and operate an SDDC. And at VMware, we have all these building blocks ready for you to start using today. Thank you.
Thank you, Martin. And let's get on with the next 2 awards, which will be Zero Carbon Partner of the Year and Customer-Centric Partner of the Year.
The nominees for Zero Carbon Partner of the Year are Atea Group. One of Atea Group's priorities has been to focus on how IT should be driving sustainability goals. Atea has been ranked as the only Nordic IT company among top 300 European companies that have made the greatest progressing in curbing their greenhouse gas emission. Glesis. Glesis have been running on 100% renewable energy for at least 10 years. They have invested heavily in heat recovery technology to minimize their customers' carbon footprint. All their waste heat is treated in integrated systems and recycled as district heating. Cloudist Solutions. Cloudist Solutions works together with Eco Data Center on sustainability, is one of a kind. They are not aiming for 2030, they are already there. Cloudist Solutions provides resellers the ability to deliver climate-positive cloud services to end customers. And the winner is Glesis.
I would like to start off with thanking the supporters who have nominated us to this prestigious award. We are really humbled by your support. Second, I would like to thank the Nordic Partner Organization for being there for us, supporting us and helping us reach our targets while we push the VMware message to the market. And third, I would like to reinforce our promise that we will continue to do our part to lower our emissions and thereby helping fight global change and global warming.
The nominees for Customer-Centric Partner of the Year are Valti. Valti is helping their customers in navigating through the complex digital journey of today. Developing and learning together with the customer, Valti's approach is by nature customer-centric. Crayon, Norway. During the past year, quality and execution together with full customer lifecycle management has made Crayon a partner which customers can rely on for VMware expertise. RTS. RTS delivers the highest level of services and commitment to their customers. With a mind-blowing customer-centric mindset, RTS, with the deep VMware technical knowledge, supports any customer with their cloud journey, would it be private, public, or hybrid. And the winner is Valti.
Hi guys! Hey, my name is Juha from VMware, and you guys have just won the Nordic Customer-Centric Partner of the Year award. Congratulations!
Huge congratulations to our award winners. So for now, you've heard from Per regarding our Nordic perspective. You've heard from Martin regarding our 5 pillars of VMware. To give you a little bit of insight into the market and the surveys and the trends, I'll introduce the Nordic country leads. You'll hear from Marie, Andy and Lars Bo.
Hi, my name is Marie Berner-Moberg. I'm country manager for VMware Sweden. Congratulations to all the winners so far. It's great to see strong partners making a huge difference. We can see that the market trend is shifting. It's more and more focused around consuming services in a new way, as SaaS services or in a subscription consumption model. And it's here key for you as a partner to understand the drivers and mechanisms behind those engagements, where you can retain customers, obtain new customers, and also leverage on your ability to be a trusted advisor for the customers. Because when you utilize software and subscription services, you're putting more focus on your customer, how they reach their business goals and desired outcomes. Recent research shows that customers are preferring this way of consuming services, and it's a variety of providers out there providing different kind of services in a consumption-based way. 42% of the IT buyers actually prefer to do their IT funding in an OpEx model. And you as a partner can be the one that helps your customer navigating in this multi-dimensional world, where you can help them to reach their business goals and solve their issues both in a technical and commercial way. VMware is the leading multi-cloud vendor. We provide a consistent cloud operating model across private cloud, public cloud, out to the edge, and all in a secure and regulated manner. So with our commercial model, software and subscription, it will enable you to transform your customer in a faster way into a subscription model, which will give them a greater business success outcome and you a higher profitability. And you like that, right? So with that, I hand it over to Andy.
Awesome. Thank you, Marie, and hello from Oslo. My name is Andy Stevens, and I'm the country manager for VMware Norway. Congratulations to all the award winners out there. Today, our partners are exceptional at supporting our customers' business and their digital journeys. But as we look into the future, you as our partners are going to become more relevant than ever before as these businesses are looking into the multi-cloud world and becoming cloud smart. We are very proud to say that we are now the only player in the world that can truly provide the multi-cloud platform to allow an organization to run their entire application portfolio on any cloud, public, private, or even sovereign. With the managed cloud services market expected to grow by over $85 billion by 2023, the importance of evolving our partner landscape, services, and readiness has never been more vital. We need your support to meet the increasing demands of our customers. The time it takes to put a service to market is critical to ensuring profit. According to McKinsey, a service delivered just 6 months late earns 33% less profit. So to accelerate the time to market, VMware provides programs for you as a partner to help expand your service catalog. Whether it's services for building a consistent multi-cloud operating model, modernizing applications, or providing a secure digital workspace, VMware Cloud Services provides the foundation for your success. And with that, over to my friend Lars Bo in Denmark.
Thanks, Andy. My name is Lars Bo Clausen, and I'm the country lead for Denmark. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the award winners and nominees. It's really great to see that so many strategic partners have been shortlisted. Our partners and our partner ecosystem have always been very important to VMware. And with the market transformation and growth into SaaS and subscription, your role is more important than ever. We see the impact and the influence you have on projects in respect to consulting, deployment, and consumption of services. As important is also the customer experience when using the solutions. And in a recent McKinsey report on how to accelerate the digital transformation using cloud platforms, it's stated that only 14% of the customers achieve a sustained and material performance improvement. In order to capture the full value of migrating to the cloud, McKinsey suggests changing the operating model in terms of how IT works with the business. Supporting customers in the critical change to a cloud-ready operational model is seen from my point of view a sweet spot for our partners. In collaborating with your expertise, we want to help increase the number of customers actually achieving sustained improvement. By enabling a consistent cloud operating model, we can help customers minimize the complexity of the cloud journey. This will allow you to become the trusted advisor for your customers and help you building a more compatible service catalog and increase your profitability. Thank you for listening, and thanks for your commitment to VMware and all your hard work. Now back to the studio. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Lars Bo. And thank you, Marie, and thank you, Andy. So should we get on with the show?
Yeah, definitely. Let's get on with it. For the next two categories, we have Partner Voice of VMware and Best Partner Success Story.
The nominees for Partner Voice of VMware are Proact Norway. With a passion for VMware solutions, proactively blogging, and hosting webinars, Proact holds several consultants eager to share their knowledge with customers and partners in Norway. A true trusted advisor and VMware ambassador. Arrow Denmark. Arrow Denmark is continuously thinking outside the box while keeping the VMware brand intact. Interactive webinars that you won't miss, VMware Gospel Choir, and campaigns based on cartoon series with a super intelligent twist catches the attention of the recipients. Tito Every. Tito Every is the Nordic leader in cloud offerings and as a system integrator. Tito Every and VMware share the goal of accelerating digital transformations through cloud platforms, and they have a unique way of addressing this in branded activities. And the winner is Arrow Denmark.
Hello, Team Arrow! Congratulations with the Partner Voice of VMware Award.
The nominees for Best Partner Success Story are Valti. Valti has built an innovative business model by leveraging VMware technologies in their service portfolio. Helping their customers in the digital journey, Valti has been able to build new revenue streams with their offerings. Crayon Norway. Together with VMware, Crayon has supported the customer's cloud journey from beginning to end. With software as their core business, they can guide and advise the customer to best optimize and utilize their investments to achieve the outcomes the customer expects. iPro. iPro has proven that everything is possible. Acting as an extended VMware team, focusing on customer success, they have, even during the pandemic, gained excellent prospects in education, utility, and military areas. And the winner is iPro.
I'm proud to be happy partner of VMware because VMware is one of the most innovative IT companies in the world. It's either exciting to see new technologies and how our customers are benefit from that. I'd like to thank you, VMware, and all great people who make this happen. You guys are amazing. You are the best. Thank you.
once again, congratulations.
Definitely. Like this is a virtual event, Lisa. We had VMworld last week. VMworld was also virtual this time. And one of the big advantages by having the virtual events is that you can actually access all content after the event. So with that said, here are some of the fun facts around VMworld. This is what we call VMworld on steroids.
VMworld, now on demand. The premier multi-cloud event. Running since 2004, VMworld is the largest multi-cloud specific event in the world. Throughout the years, it has gathered people from all around the world with one common interest: IT. The groundbreaking year of 2020, we had over 58,000 people joining the first ever digital VMworld. The count for 2021 is still ticking. This year, we had a total of 1,158 sessions, and the majority can be watched on demand in the VMworld library. Attending VMworld is key to understanding not only VMware's current roadmap, but also our broader strategy and forward-looking innovations. What you will learn is that VMware is transforming into the leading multi-cloud company in the world. With thousands of peers from around the globe, you'll explore how to deliver modern apps and secure them, manage clouds in any environment, seamlessly support an anywhere workspace, accelerate business innovation from all your apps in a multi-cloud world. Here is a selection of sessions. Worldwide partner EMEA partner breakout, build your pipeline, empowering the partner profitability, what's new in the technology alliance, VMC on AWS, accelerating innovation, programs, strategies, VMware multi-cloud computing, infrastructure side VMware, data center sustainability strategy, top 7 win for monetizable, the value for VMware partners to lead. Get started building a profitable, get more out of your VMware. Empower today's anywhere preview of upcoming NSP build and anywhere work extending security with partner demand and overview of VMware's advanced load balancer and service-defined firewall. As you can see, there is more content available than you can consume during the 2-day event. So, visit the VMworld library and watch the sessions you missed on demand. You will not regret it.
What a brilliant and impressive overview. Lisa, with that, let's get on with the last 3 categories.
Come on. So the last 3 categories is Solution Partner of the Year, Cloud Partner of the Year, and Partner Personality of the Year.
The nominees for Partner Personality of the Year are Jonas Emilsson, Atea Sweden. Over a decade, this individual has been in the forefront of the VMware collaboration. As a subject matter expert, both directly regarding VMware, but also indirectly through Atea's hardware vendors, it's with true passion he continues to evolve together with VMware. Theis Andersen Samsi, Aero Denmark. Always on top of his business and an inspiration for others, with his great knowledge of the VCPP program and holistic view in general on VMware's portfolio. Great ideas and initiatives makes him a great VMware advocate. Kim Sniftrup, Atea Denmark. He is simply great when it comes to understanding the value VMware solutions can deliver. He has been instrumental in joint wins, and he has a win attitude in everything he does. And the winner is Kim Sniftrup at Atea Denmark.
Thank you very much. Thank you, VMware Nordics, Denmark, Michael, of course. This is not a single person effort. Without our license team, Martin and Pia especially, I wouldn't have been able to succeed on a daily basis. Our account management team that open the doors every day to our customers. Our CX team that makes sure that the customers actually is engaged and utilize the licenses on a different every day. And at least not, of course, our consultancy team, Flemming Westervams, fantastic boys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The nominees for Cloud Partner of the Year are Soprasteria. VMware and Soprasteria has developed a software-defined next-generation IaaS cloud platform with full automation and self-service capabilities. The solution complements the broader multi-cloud service portfolio that Soprasteria offers and will enable Soprasteria to improve time to market. Nordcloud. Nordcloud has done significant efforts building their VMware cloud on AWS practice. They have also proven their capabilities by successfully helping a well-known IT security company from their own premises data center to VMware Cloud on AWS. Tito Every. Tito Every is the Nordic leader in cloud offering and as a system integrator operating in 90 countries. VMware and Tito Every have been in partnership for years, and together they are well positioned to support hybrid IT deployments and application modernization in what we call the fourth cloud. And the winner is Soprasteria.
Cloud Partner of the Year.
Tusen takk. Det er jo kjempehyggelig og overraskende. Og takk for godt samarbeid.
Takk I like måte.
Gratulerer, Kjell. Tusen takk.
The nominees for Solution Partner of the Year are Crayon Norway. Growth has been the core focus of Crayon, ensuring that they leverage the full capacity of the entire team, increasing performance, knowledge, and competencies. Atea Denmark. Atea is a committed partner with a strong VMware team, highly investing in knowledge and skills. Alongside that they focus on adoption and happy customers, they have showed great growth. RTS, helping customers with design, implementation, and maintenance, powered by the backbone of the highest amount of MCS in the region. RTS has almost 20 years of investment in VMware technology and outstanding performance. And the winner is RTS.
Solution Partner of the Year.
Jag vill tacka alla på VMware, alla säljare, alla konsulter, hela PSO, licensgänget, förnyelser och alla på supporten. Tack! Ni är fantastiska!
To all the winners of the Partner Awards, a huge congratulations from us at VMware. We really admire your work, commitment, etc. It's been super fun in the studio today, and I'm so grateful that I could have a co-host with me today. And I trust we'll see you in Barcelona next year around VMworld, and that you will continue to pursue new opportunities together with us at VMware, grow your ambitions.
Lise, it's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate.
It's time to celebrate. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Well, that was pretty okay for an average Wednesday, I guess.
But you need to practice it.
Yeah.
Same time next year, but different place.
Yeah, definitely.
Cheers.